Are confusing menus making it hard for your visitors to navigate your WordPress website? A well-designed drop-down menu can fix that, giving your site a clean, organized look, and making it easy for users to find what they're looking for. Drop-down menus don't just improve navigation, they also enhance your site's user experience, make it more professional, and even help with SEO. So, in this video, you'll learn the 3 ways on how to create a drop-down menu in WordPress, using the WordPress site editor, using a plugin, and creating manually with CSS. Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. Let's get started. To create a drop-down menu directly from the site editor, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, and click Editor. Inside your site editor, click the plus button and search for the navigation block. Drag it onto your header or wherever you want your menu to appear. Add your menu items and click on it. Select the submenu. The submenu will now appear as a drop-down when users click on the menu item. Once done, click Save to publish your changes. And just like that, your basic drop-down menu is ready and fully functional. If you want more control, animations, and styling options, you can use a WordPress plugin. One popular choice is Max Mega Menu. To install the plugin, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Search for Max Mega Menu, then click Install Now and activate. Once activated, you'll see a new Mega Menu option appear in your dashboard. Next, head over to Mega Menu, then click Mega Themes. Here you can style your drop-down menu, like the hover effects and spacing, to perfectly match your site's design. Now, to set up your menu, go to Appearance and select Menus. If you don't have a menu yet, click Create a New Menu. Then add your pages as usual. If you see a message saying your theme has no menu locations registered, go to Mega Menu, then find Menu Locations, and create a new one. Give it a name that describes where your menu will appear on your site. For example, Header Menu. Then, in your site editor, click the plus icon and drag the Max Mega Menu block onto your page. Once you've placed it, click Save. Now, go back to your dashboard, navigate to Appearance, select Menus, scroll down to Display Location, and check the box beside your new menu location. You'll now see the Max Mega Menu settings panel on the left. From here, you can enable the Mega Menu, choose animations, and control how drop-downs open. Once you're done, click Save. If everything is set up correctly, your Mega Menu should now be visible on your site. You can fine-tune the design anytime under Max Mega Menu and select Menu Themes, where you'll find more options like General Settings, Flyout menus, mobile layouts, and custom styling. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Menu, and then preview your site. If you prefer a lightweight solution or full control without plugins, you can create drop-downs manually. Go to Appearance and Menus in your WordPress dashboard. You can create a new menu or select an existing menu. Add your pages, posts, or custom links, and then drag sub-items slightly to the right under a parent item to create a drop-down. To further style your menu, you can use Custom CSS. Go to Appearance and click Editor. Click on Settings and then go to Additional CSS to add custom CSS to control hover effects, spacing, or drop-down animations. You can also add your styles to your theme's style.css file. Once your menu is organized and styled, save your changes and assign the menu to the desired location. And that's it! Your WordPress drop-down menu is now set up and ready to make your site easier to navigate. Whether you use the site editor, a plugin, or Manual CSS, your menu is now organized and user-friendly. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.